At the end of the video, we'll point you to a resource that will walk you through the process step by step and allow you to form an LLC for free. In addition, you will get a surprise gift that will help you to start your business on the right foot. Starting an LLC, limited liability company, in Ohio involves several steps. Here's a general guide to help you. 1. Choose a name for your LLC. Ensure the name you select complies with Ohio's naming requirements. It should include Limited Liability Company, LLC, or similar abbreviations. Also, it must be distinguishable from other registered Ohio businesses. 2. File Articles of Organization. You need to file Articles of Organization with the Ohio Secretary of State. This can be done online or by mail. You'll need to provide your LLC's name, its duration, if not perpetual, the purpose of the LLC, the name and address of the LLC's statutory agent, and other details. There's a filing fee associated with this. 3. Appoint a registered agent. A registered agent is someone who agrees to accept legal papers on behalf of your LLC if it is sued. The agent must have a physical address in Ohio. 4. Draft an operating agreement. Although not required by Ohio law, it's advisable to create an operating agreement. This document outlines the ownership and operating procedures of the LLC. It can help prevent misunderstandings between members. 5. Obtain an EIN. An employer identification number, EIN, is required for tax purposes. You can obtain one for free from the IRS. 6. Comply with other regulatory requirements. Depending on your business type, you may need to obtain additional licenses or permits at the federal, state, or local level. For example, if you're selling goods, you might need to get a sales tax permit from the Ohio Department of Taxation. 7. File biennial reports. Ohio LLCs are required to file a biennial report with the Secretary of State. This report updates the state on the LLC's contact information and management structure. The first report is due by the end of the month in which the LLC was formed, and subsequent reports are due every 2 years thereafter. 8. Open a bank account. It's essential to keep your business finances separate from your personal finances. Open a business bank account for your LLC. 9. Get business insurance. Depending on your industry and the nature of your business, you may need various types of business insurance to protect your LLC from liability. 10. Comply with tax obligations. Understand your federal, state, and local tax obligations and ensure you're compliant. 11. Maintain compliance. Stay updated on Ohio's ongoing compliance requirements for LLCs, such as filing annual reports and paying any necessary fees. It's always wise to consult with legal and financial professionals to ensure you're meeting all legal requirements and to get advice tailored to your specific situation. Thank you for watching. As we conclude this video, go to the description below this video for a resource that will walk you through the process step by step and allow you to form an LLC for free. In addition, you will get a surprise gift that will help you to start your business on the right foot.